Alrighty, guys. Y'all recognize this? I forgot what year, but it's a Dodge Challenger. Now, I get asked this question a lot as it relates to fuel pump. Yes, this fuel pump failed. All right, it's not putting out fuel pressure. You need fuel pressure for your car to start. All right, that part is diagnosed, and I got that's the old fuel pump. As you can see, I got my tool right here, and I got the new fuel pump in. Now, here's the question I'm always ask. JT, as far as the connector go, because it's no secret anymore. Everybody should know this by now. All right, they literally want you to take this blue and red wire is the power supply, and guess what? That black wire is the ground. But notice they got them side by side each other. If that's not an engineer blunder, I don't know what is. Now, what they want you to do is swap this black wire with this blue and white wire. Okay, so people tend to ask me, can you just pull the connector out and just swap them around? All right, now, but take a look at this harness and this connector. As you can see, these wires are a different gauge. When I say gauge, I'm talking about size. Here's the what came in the package. Now, this is a Mopar, guys. If you get a Mopar fuel pump, you're gonna get the connector harness package gonna come with it. Okay, take a look at the wires inside this package. They are a lot thicker than what's on the car. So what I'm assuming, they expect more current, or they want more current to flow to those wires. Okay, I don't know. Now, I would say this, all right, if this was a customer car, paying customer car, then yes, I would splice in. We got to do everything right at the shop. I would splice this. I got to build this. All right, I would have to build this. This is not a customer car. Well, it's not a one at the shop. I'm rogue today. All right, so what I'm gonna do is because I didn't bring my, I didn't even think about this, guys. Sometimes we forget things, but when you open this box up and saw this on the top and saw these instructions, yeah, the instructions come with it. So don't panic if you don't know where to put what. I even got a video on it. Look at this video right here. So what I'm gonna do, because this is one of my own personal customer and they ain't got no money, all my customers are low budget, I'm gonna cut right here and jump. Okay, but what I'm thinking, what I'm guessing is, because now if these was burning out, these terminals was burning out, I can understand going with thicker gauge wire, but they not. Okay, they just design the fuel pump with different circuitry, okay, which will require this to change. That was dumb to put the positive and the ground next to each other. Engineer blunder. All right, so I just keep this for later. This is not a paying customer. It's not a shop paying customer. All right, yeah, we got to do everything right at the shop. So what I'm gonna do, and I always explain everything to my customer, because I didn't factor this in. I just charged her to replace to figure out why her car won't start. Guys, replacing a part is different than figuring out you need such a part. Okay, yes, cousin Pookie can come over here and replace this fuel pump, but can cousin Pookie find out you need a fuel pump? All right, you got to understand the difference. Diagnosing and repair are two different things. Anybody can replace parts, just about anybody. Everybody can't diagnose your car. Now, I'm not sitting here saying, oh, to figure out why a car won't start is difficult, you got to be an ASE master mechanic. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that there's a difference. Okay, so I got this new fuel pump in. Let me do what I need to do. I'm gonna do this professionally. Okay, I'm not gonna jigger rig it. I'm just not gonna use that. But like I say, I advise you to do it. If you work at a shop, do the right thing and do change the wire into the thicker gauge wire, because I'm assuming they want more current, or they don't want the wire connected to burn out. If I have ever seen a connector burn out, yeah, I will be definitely doing this, but I have never seen one burn out due to, I don't know, the gauge of the wire not being thick enough. I just haven't. So I'm always resistant to change until I see there's a need for one. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, I'm done. I gotta go. Y'all do what you think is right. I'm just explaining how I'm doing things. You might not agree with it. You may agree with it. At either rate, I'm talking on a video that I'm producing. Okay, so yeah, that's, you know how I go. I gotta go. Thanks for watching.